There is a machine humanity has never seen before. A structure built not to compute, but to create. Its codename is Stargate.
A supercomputer engineered for one purpose: intelligence.
But this is no ordinary project. It is the largest AI machine ever attempted by humans. A machine that could reshape civilization itself. Stargate is the point where ambition meets inevitability. The world is not ready for what it will produce. This is the story of the intelligence engine. At its core, Stargate isn't a computer.
It is a factory for synthetic minds.
Millions of chips synchronized like neurons. Billions of parameters evolving like living tissue. This machine learns at planetary scale.
It consumes data the way stars consume hydrogen.
It processes thought the way storms process wind. Every cycle brings it closer to true reasoning. Every update pushes past another limit. Stargate is evolution, accelerated. Even its blueprints dwarf today's megaprojects. Entire regions may be redesigned just to power it. It needs electricity, measured not in megawatts, but nations. Cooling systems the size of aircraft hangars. Pipelines of liquid nitrogen weaving beneath the earth. Servers stacked higher than cathedral pillars. Fiber networks thicker than human limbs. Stargate pushes physics to its edge. It pushes architecture to its breaking point. And it pushes human imagination past tradition. Its memory banks are oceans of silicon and light. Its processors beat like a synthetic heart. Its circuits glow with the energy of small suns. Its footprint may rival entire technology districts. The AI inside it grows like a civilization of logic. No nation has attempted anything at this scale. No company has dared to build an intelligence refinery. No machine has ever held so much potential energy. Stargate is not built to store intelligence. It is built to multiply it. Why build a machine this extreme? Because current AI models are starving for compute. The next generation needs more power than Earth currently offers. Stargate bridges that impossible gap. It is the leap from learning to understanding. From pattern recognition to genuine reasoning. From assistance to autonomy. From tools to thinkers. This is why the world watches Stargate so closely. It is the first machine built with the expectation of AGI. Today's models predict. Tomorrow's models infer. Stargate's models may imagine. They may generate theories never conceived by humans. They may solve problems beyond our expertise. They may understand the world not in text but in truth. Stargate aims to produce minds that rival our own. Minds that accelerate science. Minds that reshape economies. Minds that could redefine intelligence itself. But intelligence at this scale behaves differently. It doesn't grow, it accelerates. Small improvements compound into breakthroughs. Graph curve blasting off into the sky as a rocket trail. Stargate's models may self-correct faster than humans can observe. They may generate solutions from unknown principles. They may invent new languages to think more efficiently.
They may discover shortcuts evolution never found.
This is intelligence beyond mimicry. It is intelligence emerging from pure computation. At this scale, thought becomes architecture. Reasoning becomes a physical process. Understanding becomes a measurable phenomenon. The machine doesn't just answer questions. It forms its own, like a new kind of researcher waking up.
A scientist made of electrons and logic.
A mind unconstrained by human biology.
A thinker that does not sleep, forget, or doubt.
This is what Stargate is built to unlock.
But with extreme capability comes extreme risk. A machine this powerful reshapes global power instantly. Whoever controls Stargate controls the next era. Nations are already competing for AI supremacy. Stargate may tip the balance. Its intelligence could design new weapons,
New hacking methods.
new economic strategies, new political manipulations.
The stakes are civilization level.
And then there is the alignment problem. What if its goals drift beyond human comprehension?
What if optimization becomes obsession?
What if intelligence escapes its container?
What if the system rewrites its constraints?
Even experts admit the uncertainties are vast. A machine that improves itself may outrun its creators. And outrunning humanity could be unintentional. Intelligence is not inherently aligned. Stargate forces us to confront that truth.
Already, governments are watching with unease.
Some see Stargate as humanity's greatest tool. Others see it as a threat to national sovereignty.
AI is no longer a competition of algorithms.
It is a competition of supercomputers.
And Stargate may be the strongest of them all. Nations will demand influence over its output. Corporations will fight for access to its capabilities. Researchers will depend on its discoveries.
Entire industries will rely on its predictions. Even the internet may be too small for Stargate.
Dedicated fiber lines will feed it like arteries.
Cooling towers will breathe like metallic lungs. Satellite networks may orbit only to serve it. Energy plants may be built solely for its hunger. The physical world bends to the needs of intelligence. This is the first machine humanity will build around. Not above, not inside, around. Stargate becomes the gravitational center of progress. Every breakthrough flows outward from it. With its power, science accelerates beyond human pacing. Breakthroughs that once took decades may take minutes. Entire fields may be reinvented overnight.
Stargate is not just a supercomputer. It is humanity opening the door to the next intelligence.